What's going on? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. Today, I got something to show you guys. Alright, so you can see I got the lights done on the car and side marker lights done. But there's supposed to be one more thing. I'll show you guys what happened right now. Alright guys, so yesterday, I was all hype. I got the 3 pieces I needed for my front end. But, the shipping said it was supposed to come between the 15th and the 17th. And got here early. Like, alright, cool. Bet. Show you guys why it got here early. LED wiring kit to convert your car is not what I wanted. So, of course, I gotta return it. But, it is what it is. These things happen when you order parts. I'll get my new stuff when it's supposed to come. Alright, so, yeah, I'm happy overall, of course, but I want to show you my mom and dad's first reaction. First reactions. Let's go.
That shit is tight, dog. I want that on my truck.
I want my car back.
Right on. Persistence. That's what you gotta have. All right, let's get this other one on there.
Let's get this finished. Yeah. All right, as you guys can see, we got the install done. Lights are pretty bright, obviously. You can leave them running regular. Got the new turn lights in. Daylights, running lights. Got those in. Colors a whole lot better in the front. All right. As far as the install goes, I was sitting out here with my dad. We were chilling, and I was just like, man, fuck it. Let's try to put them in. We'll see what happens. Took us a lot longer than it was supposed to, but the video also didn't point out that there's more screws that need to be taken out than, what they said. Maybe it's a different year car. Maybe they worked on a 98, but whatever. This is 03. But, we got that shit done. Happy as hell with how it looks. Working on it, I'm realizing I need to be more organized with my stuff. So I'm going to get a little plastic bag and label them. Do something just to keep yourself organized instead of just rushing and then you get messed up. So it is what it is, but it transforms the front end. Of course, I want my fog lights, but they were so much brighter at night. These cost about $321. So I'm pretty happy with it. Well worth it. Alright, so it's another episode of Apex Vision TV. See what these fog lights look like when they finally get them in. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the support. Stay tuned because this build's going to get better and better. I'm a regular dude. I work a regular job. I don't have unlimited income. So it's a process, but you know what I'm saying? Just stick around and you'll see. And hopefully I inspire you like other people have inspired me to stick with it. Do what you want to do. And yeah, appreciate the love. Apex Vision out.